Hi guys, Madam Excellence here. So I finally went into the store to grab the air fryer. I've been longing to get this appliance. I've been just procrastinating. I'm like, oh no, I don't think I need it. Oh, now finally I need it. How you want to fry plantain, you have to use so much oil. You want to fry chicken and beef, so much oil, and then it splashes, it touches. I'm like, no, I'm done. I'm done. I went into Walmart and I got this for $79. I saw others for like 180, 169. I'm like, no, it's not, it's just gonna give me the same thing, right? It's gonna come out the same way. So I got the inexpensive one, $79 with tax. And then I'm super excited to show you how it looks. The Hamilton Beach Air Fryer. I'm excited to show you how it looks, and I'm so excited to start using it. And by far, I think this is going to be one of the best kitchen appliances I'll have. Yeah. And then that was just the instruction manual, and then it came with this little protective thing there. Don't you like the color? It's just nice and mature color. It's not just black, it's just nice and gray, and nice gray and a little bit of black. Nice. I love it. I just love it. And now we're just gonna pull it open. Yeah, no more frying plantain with oil. No more frying chicken. Sometimes you just want that crispy chicken and you don't want to really bake it. You want to fry it. But this air fryer is going to give me both. It's going to give you that baked feeling and then the frying feeling. Yeah, I love how it looks. I just love how it looks. And then you can see you can do fries with this, chicken, steak. You can even bake with this. Is that not amazing? And then it comes with the basket down there. Yeah. So guys, you have to line this basket. You have to always line it so that you don't wash every time you use it. Just line it with parchment paper or foil paper, and then you use it, toss it out, and replace it. Yeah, I'm super excited. I am so excited. And lots of recipes will be coming. Lots and lots of recipes will be coming your way. I will be showing you how I make different stuff with this. Yeah, those are the things we can do. Fries, chicken, prawns, I guess. Thank you. Bye.